In this video, we're giving you an exclusive tour of the Excellence Oyster Bay, Jamaica, followed by a completely honest review. Is this the perfect resort for your next trip to Jamaica? Stick around to find out. Excellence Oyster Bay, located 30 minutes from the airport on a private peninsula in Jamaica, is an adults-only, all-inclusive resort known for its high-end luxury. The resort offers ocean view suites, beach access, multiple pools, 8 restaurants, 10 bars, a spa, and water sports, providing a relaxing and upscale environment. We'll begin by exploring the accommodations. The resort offers a wide range of all-suite accommodations designed for comfort, convenience, and elevated service. Each suite features generous space, modern amenities, and thoughtful details throughout to enhance the experience. All junior suites include either a king bed or 2 double beds, an L-shaped sofa, and a private balcony or terrace with lounge furniture. Bathrooms feature double vanities, a rain shower for 2, and VIP toiletries. Guests also have access to 24-hour room service, a fully stocked minibar, premium liquor, and complimentary Wi-Fi. Additional in-room amenities include a 46-inch flat-screen TV, electronic safe, coffee machine, USB outlets, and a clothes steamer. Suite variations include garden, ocean view, and oceanfront options, with some featuring exclusive pools or rooftop plunge pools. Ground floor suites provide direct pool access, while rooftop suites feature a plunge pool with panoramic views. On the other hand, the Excellence Club provides enhanced services and amenities for those looking for a more refined and exclusive stay. These suites feature upgraded amenities and access to premium areas such as a dedicated lounge, restaurant, bar, and beach area. Club benefits include early check-in and late checkout, Nespresso machines, an upgraded minibar and room service menu, and daily in-room treats like fruit and petit fours. Specialty suites such as the Honeymoon Suite, Rooftop Terrace Suite, and Beachfront House Suite provide additional space and features, including separate living areas, plunge pools, and dedicated concierge services. At the top end, the Beach Villas with private pools provides 1,510 square feet of space, a pool, a master bedroom, a walk-in closet, and in-room couple spa treatments. Now let's discuss the food and drink options here. Excellence Oyster Bay offers an extensive selection of dining and drink options to suit different tastes and preferences. With 8 gourmet restaurants, all included and no reservations required, dining is flexible and relaxed throughout your stay. For international buffet options, the kitchen table serves breakfast and lunch with a wide selection of dishes. For dinner, you can explore a la carte offerings at several themed restaurants. Spice features Pan-Asian cuisine, including a teppanyaki room, while Chez Isabelle provides classic French dishes in an elegant setting. Flavor Market specializes in Spanish tapas paired with curated wines, and Oregano presents Italian favorites like pizza and pasta in a peaceful trattoria-style environment. Those looking for grilled fare can visit The Grill for steaks, chicken, and seafood cooked over an open flame. The Lobster House, located beneath a thatched roof palapa by the pool, serves a la carte meals for all 3 main meals, with a focus on seafood at dinner. Excellence Club members can enjoy exclusive breakfast and dinner at the Magna Club restaurant, available in both indoor and outdoor areas. The resort also features a variety of bars and lounges. Options include a sports bar with snacks, a beachside bar, swim-up pool bars, a lobby bar, and a rooftop lounge. The on-site coffee house serves hot drinks and pastries throughout the day. Each venue provides a distinct atmosphere, from casual beach settings to more refined lounges. For Excellence Club members, there are private lounges and bars offering additional privacy and service. These spaces include an open-air deck with ocean views, a beachside bar, and an indoor club lounge. With its range of dining venues and beverage options, the resort provides a comprehensive all-inclusive culinary experience, combining global flavors, local ingredients, and accessible dining throughout the day. Next, let's explore the wide array of activities available during your stay. Excellence Oyster Bay offers a broad selection of activities designed to suit different interests and energy levels, allowing you to structure your days however you wish. With a mix of water and land activities, plus wellness amenities, there's always something to do without leaving the property. Water activities are a big highlight, with access to 5 swimming pools, including 2 beachfront options and a rooftop pool at the Sky Bar. There are also 4 independent hot water jacuzzis. For those interested in exploring the sea, snorkeling equipment and introductory scuba lessons are offered on site. More in-depth diving and deep-sea fishing excursions are available for an additional cost. You can try stand-up paddleboarding, water aerobics, SUP yoga, or even pool biking. They're a fun way to stay active and make the most of the oceanfront. On land, there are plenty of sports and games to try. Traditional activities like beach volleyball, table tennis, football, and tennis are available throughout the day. Guests can also take part in games such as darts, billiards, and board games, or engage in more unique activities like bocce and archery. If you're up for some adventure, you can grab a bike for a guided fat bike tour. It's a fun way to discover the area and appreciate the natural scenery along the way. Excellence Oyster Bay also features daily classes and interactive sessions, providing fun and engaging ways to mix up your routine. Yoga and aerobics sessions are held regularly and cater to different skill levels. Cooking lessons are available for those interested in culinary techniques and regional ingredients, while dance classes offer a chance to learn new moves in a comfortable group setting. These classes allow you to learn something new while in a fun social atmosphere. Handcraft workshops add a creative element to the daily schedule, allowing visitors to engage with local culture and art. Not sure? With Expedia's Reserve Now, Pay Later and full refund policy, booking is easy and flexible. Lock in the best rates today, knowing you can cancel if needed. Click the links below to book with confidence and start planning your getaway. A fully equipped fitness center is on site, providing an excellent space to maintain your workout routine. Spanning nearly 2,500 square feet, the facility includes treadmills, step machines, crossover equipment, and a weight training area. There are several training classes to choose from, and personal trainers are available if you're looking for personalized guidance. Additionally, a fitness trail runs through the property, providing a scenic route for jogging or walking in the tropical surroundings. For those looking for rest and renewal, the Mile Spa features a range of wellness services. The spa includes 7 indoor treatment rooms, including a suite with a hydrotherapy tub for couples. Facilities include a ritual area, a relaxation lounge, dressing rooms with showers, and a spa concierge desk to assist with bookings and recommendations. A fresh fruit and beverage bar is provided before or after treatments. The Aqua Wellness Hydrotherapy Circuit forms the core of the spa's offerings, using water-based therapies to enhance circulation and well-being. Spa treatments use marine botanicals and natural ingredients and include massages, facials, body wraps, and exfoliating treatments. The beauty salon offers a variety of hair and nail services to complete your pampering experience. Throughout the week, theme nights and evening events offer a mix of entertainment, cultural elements, music, and social interaction in a laid-back environment. These events are designed to keep things fresh and engaging for everyone. Whether you're taking a cooking class, playing beach volleyball, exploring the underwater world, or just unwinding at the spa, this resort offers a wide range of activities to match every mood and interest. Now, we're going to share a completely honest and unbiased review of Excellence Oyster Bay. As many of you already know, we are not paid to promote or endorse any resorts or properties, which means you can trust everything we share. Our goal is to give you the most helpful and transparent insights possible so you can plan your next getaway with confidence. That being said, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, we'd really appreciate it if you took a moment to hit that subscribe button. It helps support us and allows us to keep creating useful content like this just for you. Now, let's dive into our review. Excellence Oyster Bay currently holds an impressive 4.5 out of 5 rating on TripAdvisor, which is considered very good. Even more striking, it has a phenomenal 4.9 out of 5 score on Google Reviews, making it one of the highest rated resorts in the entire region. That alone tells you this place is doing something right. Of course, in keeping with our commitment to honesty, we'll start with the positives and also touch on something you should be aware of. One of the most frequently mentioned highlights in positive reviews is the exceptional staff. Many guests said they felt pampered and well taken care of throughout their stay. The resort's cleanliness and luxurious ambiance were also consistently praised, along with the food, which was often described as excellent. However, in the spirit of full transparency, there is one thing worth mentioning. Some guests felt a bit of pressure to tip during their stay. While tipping is generally appreciated and can lead to faster or more attentive service, it's important to know this in advance so you're not caught off guard. It's a common practice in many resorts, and being prepared can help you make the most of your experience. With that said, it was honestly difficult to find many negative reviews. The vast majority of visitors had a wonderful stay, and many even return year after year. Proof of just how exceptional this resort truly is. And that's a wrap on our tour of Excellence Oyster Bay. If you're looking for more details on rates or booking, you'll find everything you need in the links below. Still weighing your options? Be sure to check out our video on the top all-inclusive resorts in Jamaica for even more great choices. Thanks for watching. Wishing you safe and happy travels wherever your journey takes you.